Hello and welcome to another update video about BTC. Yeah, here on the Bitcoin chart, we are currently tracking this sideways consolidation pattern. I only want to talk about the shorter time frame because, let's be honest, bigger picture, nothing has changed. And the price is currently attacking the resistance area. This is what I communicated in some of the last updates and also some of the written updates that are sent through on Discord in our members area. Yeah, so remember that the idea was that the price could easily challenge this previous swing high once more. But this does not, let's say, this does not change anything yet. Okay, so we're just attacking the previous high. We are testing resistance, but we have not seen any confirmed upside breakout, for example. So what I put into one of the last updates was, that said, we could still get another test of the 85,500 region. Currently the price is 85,300, by the way. Later tonight or over the weekend, so I sent that through yesterday. A break above that would challenge the immediate downside view and could open the door to a push towards the 88k level next, or 88k plus. And then I said, like, a possible triangle formation is still on the table, right? It still is, even now, even if we broke above this trend line here. So is this trend line super meaningful? No. Certainly worth watching, given that the price is now broken above. However, it is not in any way super meaningful in a sense that it's breaking above any key levels. Not yet. We're challenging them. And we're also challenging the Fibonacci resistance zone between 85,180 and 85,733. But if the price dips from here, this is just an extension of the B wave. Okay? I'm talking about the B wave in the Y wave in the wave 4. But as I said, yeah, I mean, it's now at the price is at the key decision point. So any break higher from here, specifically above the Wednesday high that formed at around 85,500, plus or followed by a break above Fibonacci resistance, could indicate we're going up more directly. In that case, wave 4 finished potentially as a triangle. It finished potentially as a triangle, which is what I put into the written updates. In this case, what we're tracking is A, B, C, D, E as a triangle. Yeah. So, and then this was the E wave of the wave 4, but then we would need to follow through now because the break of a trend line is normally followed by no, not the break of a trend line, the break of a triangle. Yeah, the upside breakout in this case of a triangle normally happens with the volume, and very directly. So we'll see. I mean, it's a weekend. I don't necessarily expect too much movement, so I'm skeptical still. But if the market continues to grind higher, then this could be our fifth wave here. And then we actually have fulfilled the minimum requirements for a 5-wave move up here from the 7th of April low. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. I mean, as I said before, I've got it labeled like extension of circle wave 3 with another 4, 5. At least the potential is there. That's not a must. Okay, I would say the minimum requirements for 5 waves are fulfilled with one more high. Just the minimum requirements, yeah. The thing is, due to the extent of this sideways consolidation that happened this week, it is entirely possible that the larger degree third wave finished already, and the triangle was the larger degree fourth wave. But we don't know that yet. So when we move higher, if we move higher, then I will provide another support area. So far support is holding, but I would provide the next support area for circle 4, which I would not necessarily rely on holding. I mean, this orange box held. Price already reacted to it here and here on Sunday and on Wednesday. So that's why I've generally been watching for higher prices with and that's still valid. We just have to be ready potentially for another dip into support, but overall we're looking for higher, right? Especially as long as above the red line at 78,421. So that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.